We are at the Grand Hotel International Prague on the 11th floor, and here we have a tower suite. Now the first odd thing is the door opens outwards. It took me a while to work that out because I kept trying to push it in. That's just crazy. Right. First thing, nice big L-shaped sofa which can be turned into a bed. That has got to be the tiniest TV in a hotel room with the biggest bezels. Oh my god. And you got the mini bar with a nice array of refreshments, and there's the pleasantries. Obviously you got to pay for those. And then just to scoot round, and then you got a massive desk, very sturdy desk. These are all storage. You've got 3 PowerPoints over there and a kettle. So moving on to the bedroom, so you've got 2 bases put together. It makes it quite a large bed, but they're still separate from each other. Now, this material I would describe as icky. That is my official terminology for this, icky, and so are the pillows. I'm sorry to say. Well, we just have to see what kind of night's sleep we get off that. And then you've got a massive safe down there. Absolute massive safe. Slippers, robes. The other one was just storage. The aircon goes down to 16. Right, check this bathroom. Oh my god, that is the tiniest bathroom I've ever seen in a hotel room. I mean, it's a nice marble sink, but check this bath. That is the tiniest bath I've ever seen. I reckon if you're over 5 foot, you're going to struggle to get in that. But it's deep. I'll give it that. It's very, very deep. But yeah, some amenities there, and some liquid soap there, hair dryer. But that bathroom, oh my god, that is just tiny. And think this is the top tier room suite at this hotel, and they give you a tiny bathroom like that. Oh my god, that is it. Oh, you got another TV with equally thick bezels. Jesus Christ. Yeah, that must be a 24 as well. These are storage. That's storage. Oh, no PowerPoints by the beds. So, no PowerPoints there, but there is a PowerPoint down there. Okay. Well, there you have it. There's nothing else to show, really. There you go. Right, that bed width, 2 meters 10 for the 2 of them put together, 2 meters 10, and the length, 2 meters and 6 centimeters. Now, let's see how high it is. So 56, 60, so 61 or 62. Call it 61 centimetres high. Alright, we're at the front entrance, and you're going to have to get your luggage up these steps, by the way. Right, these are really, really hard to pull. Really, really hard. Jesus Christ. And then you've got this marble everywhere. But it was built during the Stalin era, so it's marble and all this wood. It's everywhere. So you got one bar over there. You got a gift shop there. And they really do need to sort their front desk out, because you just got a massive queue all the time. Right, prepare yourself. That is a tiny entrance to a tiny elevator. Oh my God, look at it. So you've got to swipe and then press button. You'll get, you won't get more than 2 people in this elevator. So we got a grand bar at the roof, and then that was the Armstrong bars, the one we just looked at. Got a restaurant where we can have breakfast. Yeah, that is just tiny. That one is slightly bigger. It sort of goes around the corner a little bit, but man, I just can't get over the size of that. It's crazy. It's 7 o'clock in the evening, and there's still people queuing up for the reception. This is crazy. All right, here's the bar again. Piano playing down there. So yeah, there's the bar, and there's some more elevators. So I will sit here. Right, here I am, festering in the bar, and I mean it is nice atmosphere. The lighting, yep, nice lighting. This guy on the piano. I think he's a little bit too lively. Yeah, he's overpowering the mood. He needs to tone it down a bit. It's just way too lively what he's banging out at the moment. Shame. If he was playing something more subtle, it'd be in fitting with the ambience. Totally ruining it with those tunes. Oh dear. Well, one good thing I'm enjoying tonight. I asked for a Coke and they gave me this. So this is their version of a Coke. And I'll tell you what, I had one earlier. And these are absolutely delicious. It's a very, very unique flavour. But it is so tasty. I'd say it's even better tasting than Coke. It's just, I'm there. I'm going to have to get some of this. I'd have to find out if you can buy large bottles of it. But this is like, man, this is big thumbs up. As we're drowned out by that music. Right, let's start at the coffee machine. So, pretty limited choice. We've got espresso, cappuccino, chocolate, coffee, lungo, and water. So moving on, we've got some coconut cake, chocolate cake and donuts and croissants. And no, I can't read that one. Anyway, various pleasantries, pretzels, And you've got the breads. Yeah, the bread's there. And then we have various jams there, and then the sauces, and then you've got these massive baked beans and some pork sausages, other sausages, paprika sausages and bacon, and you've got some green beans there with wedges underneath it. And then you've got the eggs, you've got hard eggs, scrambled eggs, boiled eggs, some more bread. Here's the dried fruits. And you've got muesli, cornflakes, and pumpkin seeds. And we've got dried cranberries. And then we got the porridge. And we got more homemade granola. Yep, cool. Some yogurts, milk, and then moving on, we got the salad bar, we got the salamis, cheeses over there. But I'll tell you, this looks like decent salami. Yeah, that looks like pretty decent salami. And so salad, and fruits, and yeah, cheeses. There you go, I think that's it. Oh wait. We got this. And then another coffee machine over there. Actually two coffee machines. And this is the juice machine. So that's where the juices are. So we've got orange, apple, pink grapefruit and water. Let's try this. So we go for the orange, and we'll go for an apple as well. So how's this work? Press the button. Excellent. So I think that's it. I've covered everything. There you go. That is breakfast. So I've chosen some salami, a couple of different cheeses and some bread. And I don't know if this is butter or margarine. We'll find out in a minute. So the coffee, I've got espresso, and it's pretty decent coffee for machine coffee. Now the juices, right, let's try the juices. Yeah, pretty decent, fairly rich flavour in the orange, and the apple juice, yeah, it's okay. It's not super rich, but I mean it's doable. So, breads, yeah, they're alright. Nice and fresh and flaky. Very nice. And salami, yeah, tastes alright. So's the cheese, yeah. Yeah, this is alright. So, we have a paprika sausage, some pork sausages, some potato wedges and some green beans. Let's check this out. So, the verdict. So, these sausages, pork sausages, yeah, they're okay. That's paprika sausage. Really nice flavour. Yeah, thumbs up for that. These potato wedges, really, really soggy. The green beans, not bad, not bad. And there you have that. Right, earlier when I was here, I kept bumping into people, and that's probably because there's not enough room. And I'll tell you what, look at the distance from this table to the buffet counter. I mean, you've got to squeeze to get around there. And you're going to be bumping into people. So yeah, they could have added a bit more room, taken a few tables away. It would have sorted a lot of problems. Well, there you have it. It is what it is. And that is the buffet at the Grand Hotel International Prague. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And before you go, check out these other videos.